And so many comments on how we created this look. I wore a new bodysuit under mine, but I really don't think it matters. And then the corset, sheets, and then shoes of your choice. Start off by putting the sheet over you, kind of figure out where is a good length for you. Once you're figure that out, bring the sheet up, kind of like hold that because that's gonna stay behind you. And then you're gonna wrap the corset under you. Your back is exposed, but nobody cares because the back is not gonna show. You're gonna tuck the front to however you want, like the dress to look for you. This is the faux dress moment. I literally just tucked it on each side and it creates like this little fun look. Then with the rest of it, literally just, and hold on, I can't see shit. But, oh, these are the shades. And then you throw on your shades and you're ready. Obviously you need to choose whatever shoes you want, to be honest, and this is the look. Don't forget to breathe.